Speak life over Black families. I want to share something with you today, something that fuels every word I speak and every video I create. Recently, someone commented on one of my videos about misconceptions surrounding Black families. And in my reply, I shared a powerful scripture, the one that God spoke to Abraham and called things that were not as though they were. That scripture isn't just a verse to me. It's a principle. It's a way of life. See, I chose to speak life. I chose to focus on what's possible. I choose to shine light on the beauty, the strength, the brilliance, and the love that exists in our families. Even when the world tries to convince us that those things don't exist, because the truth is, there's so much good happening. There are parents building strong foundations, children achieving great things, families breaking cycles, creating businesses, and building legacies. But if we only focus on the negative, that's all we will see. And worse, that's all we will start to believe. I believe that what we focus on grows. I believe that when we highlight the positive, when we celebrate the victories, when we call forth what is possible, more of it will appear. And I believe that when people see the good, those who are watching, those who are following, will be inspired to follow the good. So no, I won't use my voice to spread despair. I'll use it to speak life. I'll use it to call forth the future we deserve to see. And just like God did with Abraham, I will call things that are not as though they already are. Because I believe that if we keep speaking it, keep showing it, and keep believing it, it will become our reality. Now, if this message spoke to your spirit, don't just scroll. Stand with me. Like this video, leave a comment sharing something good you've seen in our families, and subscribe to Astounding Bounds TV for more uplifting conversations about legacy, faith, and the power of speaking life. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss what's coming next. Because together we're changing the narratives, one truth at a time.